Hello. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to regenerate the main glove box. I have tested the atmosphere in the glove box and found that there was quite a bit of oxygen that was present, and I use a bit of titanoxine dichloride in order to test it. We have some of that green solution in the bottle in the back right there. So I put a little bit on a Kim wipe, and instead of staying green it turned orange, which told me that there is enough oxygen in this box to oxidize the titanium metal, thus requiring a regeneration of the glove box. So the way that we do this is we first of all make sure that we have enough nitrogen hooked up to the box. So this is the normal nitrogen regulator that we have hooked up to the box all the time. I put a fresh cylinder on it today so you can see that there's plenty of pressure in there for a good regeneration of the glove box. If it's empty, it's not going to work, so you're going to have to replace the cylinder. And this is just 4.8 nitrogen that we normally use on the box. The next gas that we need to have is it's commonly called H5N gas, which means that it's 95% nitrogen, 5% hydrogen. And it generally comes in a brown cylinder. The tag that's on it is in the back. You can just get some from stores. We have to have a special regulator. This one says regen on it, so that means this regulator can handle gases like hydrogen and ethylene. In this case, we're using it for the hydrogen that's present, even though it's in a 5% quantity in the cylinder. So next we need to make sure that we've got enough gas in the cylinder. This one is almost brand new. It's got 2000 psi in it, so that's quite enough to do a regeneration of the glove box. Now, I've already hooked up the regeneration hose to this regulator, so that's simple enough to do. And I opened the main cylinder, and now I'm going to open this valve, and it's marked for about 2 psi here, so we're pretty close on that, and that's the amount that we're going to want to have. So we'll make sure that's open, make sure that this one is open and ready to go. So both of our gases are on. Alright, the next part that we want to do is we want to turn off the circulation on the glove box. We go hit function, hit circulation purifier, and that turns off the circulation, which is very important. Next thing we do, regeneration purifier. So there's an alarm. It says proof flow regeneration gas okay. That means do we have the regeneration hooked up? Yes, we do. Okay, confirm this button. Yes. Alright, now it's going to start the regeneration process. You'll notice that the icons on the screen look a little bit different than they did before. Lastly, we affix a sign to the front of the glove box telling other people not to use it. Usually I do the regeneration overnight because it's about a 12-hour process. It involves 4 cycles. They are heating, purging, evacuating, and cooling. So then when I come in the morning, I can see if the regeneration cycles are completed, and if they are, then I'm going to want to turn the circulation purifier back on and let the circulation of the nitrogen through the glove box continue for about an hour or so before using. And that's it.